In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Google Sites. So the first thing I'm doing here is opening Gumroad and logging into my account. Once I'm inside, I can either create a new product or just choose an existing one if I already have something set up. So I'm going into Gumroad, finding the product I want to sell and getting that product page ready. Once I'm on the right product, I'm copying the product URL from Gumroad because this is the link I'm going to connect to my Google site so people can click through and buy it. Once that's done, I'm heading over to Google Sites. Now I'm creating a new site, so I'm starting with a blank site and getting the page open. This is where I'm going to place the button that links directly to my Gumroad product. I'm keeping it really simple here because the main goal is just to give visitors a clean place to click and go straight to the product. Now that I'm inside the site editor, I'm looking over to the right hand menu and clicking button. As soon as that pops up, I'm labeling the button by now. That way it's clear and easy for visitors to understand what they're supposed to do when they land on the page. Right after that, I'm pasting the Gumroad URL I copied earlier into the link field. So now this button is connected directly to the product, and when someone clicks it, they'll be taken over to Gumroad to complete the purchase. At this point, I'm just checking everything quickly to make sure it looks right. I've opened Gumroad, logged in, chosen a new or existing product, copied the product URL, gone to Google Sites, created a new site, added a button from the right hand menu, labeled it buy now, and pasted in the Gumroad link. Once all of that looks good, the last thing I'm doing is clicking publish on my Google site. That makes the site live, and now the digital store page is available for people to visit. So that's really the full setup. You use Gumroad for the actual product, copy the product link, then go into Google Sites, create a new site, add a buy now button, paste in the Gumroad URL, and publish the site. Once that's done, you've got a simple live page on Google Sites that sends people straight to your Gumroad product to buy your digital item.